Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new tricky question for you that is related with the radical equation. So let's come, we start. A into a square root and a square root under the square root is equal to 2. How we calculate the value of a is unknown. Very tricky question. There are two methods we are using. The first method, if we are using squaring method, if we take here the square on both sides, so we will taking method number 1, taking square on both sides, side of this equation, a square root of a under is equal to 2 is whole square on both sides. So according to the property of the exponent property, so we consider that is equal to x, that is consider x, and this is consider y, and whole exponent of m. So we can write x exponent of m, y exponent of m. According to this rules, so we can apply on this one. So we can write a square into a square root under the a square root whole square is equal to 4. Now again we are using, if we consider this square root is equal to 2, a square into a square root is this square root is equal to 1 by 2 as a whole square is equal to 4. Now according to the double exponent property, so we have x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x m n. According to this property, so we are multiply this term here, a square into, according to this property means this is also on this term, and a square, or we can apply on the whole, on the double exponent property is on this one also. We can write a and 1 by 2 and 2 is equal to 4. So this is cancelled. We get here a square into a and to a is equal to 4. If we are taking again squaring on both sides, and also we can apply here the exponent rule in a case of addition. So multiplication we are using here xm plus n according to this rule. So we are add their exponent 2 plus 1 and a square root is equal to 4. Now look here, if we take here add their exponent, we get a cube and a is equal to 4. Now again we take again squaring on both sides. On both sides, so we get here a cube into a square root is equal to 4 square. So again we are using the property of x power m and y power n is equal to l. So we are multiply this one x m l into y n l. According to this property we are applying here. So we get here a into 6 and a square root whole square is equal to 16. So we get here a exponent of 6, this is cancelled, we get here a is equal to 16. So now we add their power according to the rules. So a 6 plus 1 is equal to 16. When the bases are same, so we add their exponent, and here we get is equal to a 7 is equal to 16. Now we are needed the take the exponent of 1 by 7 on each side 1 by 7. so this is cancelled and a is equal to, we can write in index form x1 over n is equal to n index of x. So this is the rule of index form. So we can write 7 index form of 16 as the answer of from by the first method. Now we are in number second. So according to the square root problem, we can write x power 1 by 2. If double exponent property of, we can write this one x 1 by 2 is a whole. First we can write exponent, and also this square root is also 1 by 2. We can get x 1 by 4. Similarly, we are using here also the property, and first we can write this square root. So we can write a square root is a whole 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now according to the exponent property, so we have also write this property a 1 by 2 and a square root is also 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now so we can write this one a 1 by 2 and 2, and this is also a 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now this is our, first we multiply this one a into a 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 2. Now this is our same, so we add their exponent 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2. Now we take the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 multiplied by 1, 4 and 2 we get here 1. Exponent fractional we get 7 by 4 is equal to 2. Now we are taking reverse reciprocal of the index. 4 by 7 is equal to 2, 4 by 7. So this is cancels as a is equal to 2, and also we change in index form 7 index form of 2 exponent of 4, and a is equal to 7 index form of, we get 16 is used from the second method. Now in radical equation we must, our answer is correct or not. So this is, we must verification. We substitute this result and this, the original question, replace of a we put here 7 index of 16 and also square root of a index of 7 index of 16 and square root of 7 index of 16 is equal to 2. That is the question mark for us. So we try to prove this one is 2 or not. Now according to the rule, first of all we are opening the whole this square root 7 16, and we can write this square root 7 index of 16 and 7 index of 16 as a whole 1 by 2 is equal to 2 is the question mark. Similarly, we can apply, this is also we change in this index form 7 index of 16 into, first we change this one. We can write 7 index of 16 and this one we can write 7 index of 16 as a whole 1 by 2 is a whole 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now we change this one 1 by 2 and replace of square root is 1 by 2 of 16 and 2. Also we change this one, we can write 7 1 by 7 this one, and also we can write this one also 1 16 1 by 7 as a whole 1 by 2 and as a whole 1 by 2 is equal to 2 is the question mark. So we can write this one also 16 1 by 7 we change in the exponential form, and also we can 16 1 by 7, and here we can first we multiply this one 16, we can 1 by 14 as a whole 1 by 2 is equal to 2. We multiply this one, and further we can apply on this one from each term. So we can write 16 1 by 7 into 16 1 by 7 and to 1 by 2 we are multiply by this one also, and similarly also 16 1 by 14 into 1 by 2 is the question mark 2. This is 1 by 7. Now 16 1 by 7, and this is also 1 by 7, and 16 we get multiply by this one 1 by 14, and 16 we can get 1 by 28 is the question mark is 2 as we want to prove. We take one base from each one and we add their exponent according to the product of when the bases are same, so we add their exponent. 1 by 28 is the question mark 2. Now we take the LCM of 20 as the LCM 7, 14 and 28. We get here 7 multiplied by 2 and 7 4 and 2 1 and 2, so we get 28. 20 is the, and here we get 4 and 2 and plus 1 is the question mark 2. 16, now we add this exponent 7 divided by 28 is the question mark 2. Now 7 1 and 7 4 are cancelled, we get here 1 by 4 is equal to question mark 2 is equal to 2 exponent of 4 we can write, and 2 exponent of 4 as a whole 1 by 4 is equal to 2 is the question mark. Both are cancelled, 2 is equal to 2, so our answer is correct. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.